Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Quantum University ERP account. So let's get started. So to log into your Quantum University ERP account, what you can do is just simply open up a browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up a browser, in search bar you can search for Quantum University ERP login. And after searching for that, it will direct you to this page where you can just tap on this first option, which is Quantum University Management System. And now it will direct you to this login page. And now in order to log into your account, you just have to enter your username. After entering your username, you just have to enter your account's password. And then you have to enter the caption, which is above. So if this caption does not work, what you can do is just easily refresh it, and then you'll receive a new caption that you can enter. So just enter that caption, and after entering that, you just have to tap on login and you'll successfully log into your account. So if you have forgotten your account's password or ID, what you can do is just simply reset or recover it by tapping on forgot password or forgot ID. So by tapping on that, you can create a new ID or password for your account, and after creating a new ID or password for your account, you just have to come back to this page and just enter that. And after entering that, you just have to tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Quantum University ERP account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.